Good morning, Miss Ingram. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, and make sure you subscribe.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be reading I Can Save the Ocean. The little green monster cleans up the beach. Max, the little green monster, loved the ocean. He loved to have picnics on the beach. He loved to play in the water. Cowabunga! Shouted Max. But he did not like to clean up after himself. Max went to explore the tide pools and snorkeled along the coral reef. He wanted to see fish, sea stars, and bright pink coral. But all he saw was an empty bottle, a plastic bag, an old tire, and a broken toy. Trash makes the ocean look ugly, said Max. I'll pick up the trash on the beach so it can't come into the water. Max cleaned up the trash from his picnic, and he cleaned up other people's trash too. He found so much litter that it filled the trash and recycling bins to their very tops. Now that's a lot of trash, said Max the little green monster. I'll find out where it came from and stop it. He saw the beachgoers leave their trash on the beach. No littering, said Max. He saw the boaters fling their trash overboard. The ocean isn't a trash bin, said Max. On the way home, Max saw a painter rinse paint from his brushes into the gutter. A boy's balloon popped and he dropped it in the gutter. A girl with a new toy threw her plastic bag in the gutter. A group of kids playing on the street shot their ball right into a storm drain at the end of the gutter. Wow, said Max. Everything that falls into the gutter flows into the storm drain, and everything in the storm drain empties into the ocean. That means car oil, soap suds, and waste go into the ocean too, thought Max. Pollution at home is bad for the ocean too, Max said. I'll find out how to start saving the ocean even when I'm away from it. Max learned that chemicals and soaps can poison sea plants, fish can get stuck in trash, sea turtles and birds can mistake things like plastic bags and balloons for food, and birds and other ocean animals that get covered in oil can't stay warm or move around. Wow, said Max, I need to help save the ocean. Now, Max keeps trash from washing away in the gutter by sweeping the driveway with a broom instead of using a hose. He uses reusable bags so that plastic bags won't end up in the ocean. He drinks from a reusable water bottle so that plastic bottles won't hurt the animals. He uses biodegradable sunscreen so that the chemicals won't pollute the ocean water. He always picks up his trash and any other litter he might find. And best of all, Max the little green monster teaches his friends how to be green monsters. You can be a little green monster too and help save the ocean. The end.